Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the load so the machine can work efficiently. Once sorted, check every pocket and fasten zippers to prevent snags. Put delicates in a mesh bag. Next, you select a cycle based on fabric and soil level, delicate for silks, cotton for everyday, heavy for towels. Then, measure detergent precisely. Use the machine's cap marks, and if you have a high-efficiency washer, use detergent only. Finally, add detergent to the designated dispenser before placing clothes in the drum. You now focus on precise settings and load balance to protect garments and the machine. Start by choosing temperature. Cold preserves colors, 30 to 40 degrees handles mixed loads, and hot is for whites if safe. Adjust spin speed. Higher speeds extract water from towels, lower speeds prevent stretching knits. Then, you must distribute clothes evenly around the drum. If the washer senses imbalance, it will pause or try to rebalance. If needed, pause and rearrange items, so weight is spread evenly before continuing. You finish by removing clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles and mildew. Shake out items and reshape garments before hanging or drying. Make a habit of wiping the door seal and cleaning the detergent drawer and lint filter every month, and run an empty maintenance wash with hot water occasionally. If the machine vibrates or stops mid-cycle, reduce the load and redistribute items so the drum is balanced. Then check that the washer sits level. If vibration or error codes persist, contact a technician for service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.